This is Smooth. It's our split end mender and smoothing serum. That's right, I said it, your split end mender. This is an amazing product. It's a finishing product. You're going to use it once your hair is styled. It is going to smooth out your hair, seal any split ends you have, tame any flyaways, so it polishes the look fully. And what's great about it, it is infused with xanthan gum, wild cherry bark extract, silk protein, which is a light reparative, and it's amazing. Once your clients use this product, they're hooked. So even your fine hair clients, if you get a fine hair client on this product, where typically everything makes their hair greasy and oily, this is something that is weightless and will not do that. They will fall in love. So what you want to do is you're going to put a little bit into your hand, like so. I already have some in my hair. If you have any flyaways, you're gonna just go right on top like that. And what's great about it, I love it for curl as well, because it just smooths out the curl and gives it this crisp look to it. And what's great about it, because it has this light tact, it's very versatile. If you have somebody that has naturally curly hair or wavy hair and they want to just bring out that little bit of wave, they can actually pop this product in, clip their hair up or diffuse it in, and they're gonna get a very nice light hold. And guess what? It's sealing your split ends. So what this does is that it will hold any of your splits together so that they're sealed, and you can do this day through day, and that's gonna help prevent the split end from traveling all the way up the shaft, so that eventually you can get into your stylist and clean and cut those splits off.